finna pull up on this wreck right here by Waffle House on 290. Where you at?
Oh, yeah, hey, I'm getting 2 of them right here. Me and those night riders, they gave me 2 of them. I'm double loaded, you know what I mean?
Come on, you ain't going hard like that now.
Yeah, we back on the scene, me and baby, you know, reunited and it feels so good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it's going on around here, man.
I'm talking about, man, I'm trying to get to this wreck.
Yes, sir.
It look like somebody picking up my car. I know ain't nobody picking up my car, though. Who is this? They say VIP?
Check me out, though. Check me out, though. Check me out. Can you see that? It's zoomed in on that, though.
On what, though? What am I zooming in on?
Yeah, that 2-piece.
Oh, yeah.
One yonder way and one right here. You hear me? Yeah. Zoom in on that.
Okay.
Up again. Yeah, all that. Hey, call that bacon a whole. If I can't get the whole house, I don't want it. You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
If I can't get the whole house, man, I don't want it, man. I'm talking about, man. They don't tell you all this. Car ain't got no wheels and man, come on, man. Lord have mercy on my soul. They don't tell you this part. Damn. That's what I'm about to see right now. Is it keys in here?
I think she took the keys right.
Let me see something.
I told her dispatcher the front was completely dismembered.
Yeah, let me see. Damn, it's bad too. Let me see. Probably can just put it in neutral, lift it up, and move it off the highway. Let me see. Hey, they come with this here. Trying to fill it up. It was empty this morning. We probably put it back about. Probably put about 8 in here this morning. So like 6 this morning, but we probably got about 10 today. Woo, that truck slide, boy. Of course, you got him all in my business back here. Now you want to call me.
I need, y'all. I'm in the door. Bag up in traffic. Go on hit the wheel when we get up here.
Alright, I'm behind you. You finna back up in traffic?
Yeah, I got a bag up to my car.
Alright, bet.
Hey, man, what are you doing? Oh, man. Bag up.
Damn, you rude.
What you got going on?
You one of them rude, motherfucker.
I'm talking about bag, too. First responders. I'm gonna show you how to get this on.
Nah, you think you high, boy.
I am.
Come on. Hey, y'all live and direct at the 969 Towing Show. Really, it's the 969 Tow Show. That sounds better. Get y'all some of this up close and personal footage. Our followers say you've been wearing them close about 3 days.
Hey, y'all really think we be playing when we say we don't get no sleep? But I brush my teeth though. Yeah.
Nigga might wear clothes 3-4 days, but say.
We out here though. Check me out though. Look at me. Look at me. Zoom in on all that. It's called work, man. Look at that.
All on your head, man.
Yeah, I mean.
Oh, oh. Woo! Say.
Don't tell that slippery.
I'm talking about what date is it?
Man, yeah.
Let's see what's going on. Yeah, you watching. See me watching. You already put it on Instagram? Huh?
I think so. Yeah.
You get which one?
Yep. Right behind this man. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here, man. I got my wood if I need it, you dig?
It's dirty because you're working.
You feel me?
Hey, you say you get what, the Nissan?
Yeah.
All right, come on. What you doing?
The people with the kids.
How long the cars?
Yes, sir.
Quick. That's what we do. We clear the roads.
That's right.
We clear the roads, man. We gonna make him clean that up.
That's right.
You ain't gonna clean that up? That was your car.
Oh.
That was your car. Now, twin, you know when it's your car, you're supposed to clean up the mess.
Yeah.
Why would you do that?
How many cars was right here
It was
involved?
10.
Only trucking on my truck.
I thought this was your truck. Oh, nigga, lips
All
dry.
right, be careful out there. Huh?
Hey, I can get one. You talking about can't take two? Let me get one, bitch. You trying to get one too? Let me get one.
He has an empty one?
Yeah, he got an empty truck right here.
Oh, you got one at the back.
My self-loader, 969.
For 99?
969.
969.
Hey, what is that? Is that one all wheel? What is that?
We up
969 to him.
You're getting this car.
All right.
We on the way. Come on.
Come down here right now.
Come on.
Come on, Parlay.
Hey,
Watch out, please
look,
slip.
you gonna have to get that car in St. John for me some Mustang. And I gotta get this one because it's a what's the name?
What's your name? So go grab
all
one.
wheel, that's all wheel.
All right, bet.
We snotty nose.
So you stealing my wreck? So you stealing my wreck on the cool?
Nah, I ain't stealing nothing. That's yours. But we get
okay.
into the house. That's
Okay,
what we're doing.
okay, I'm just
We
making
get
sure.
into the house.
I'm just making sure.
Look
Okay.
at y'all, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Hey, he thought he was finna double up.
Hey, he thought he had that one.
Hey,
And he intercepted that nigga.
hey, we don't make friends out here.
No, this ain't nothing.
We make money, yeah?
Cause I can't be recording and towing and everything at once. Hey, so you gonna grab it? So where the one in St. John's at? I bet. Damn, my hands is froze.
Oh no, thank you. Appreciate it. Hey, right there on that corner, bro. Right there. What? On that, the little one.
Boy, usually be pretty quick. I don't know if it's cold or what.
Yeah, motherfucker, go.
My nigga taking a little long today.
That's right.
You ready?
Hey, y'all read it. Toe life, no life. That's what I do.